So next topic is harmonic phase sequence. The phase sequence is nothing but RYB. Every phase, in between the every phase there is a 120 degrees. So harmonic phase sequence. The three phase system is transformed into three single phase systems that are much simpler to analyze. The method of symmetrical components can be employed for analysis of the system response to harmonic current. Since a distorted waveform in power system contains only odd harmonic components, only odd harmonic phase sequence rotation are summarized here. So why there is only odd harmonic present means even harmonics are cancelled to each other. There is a even harmonics in positive and negative peaks, there is a equally distributed, so they cancel to each other, but the odd harmonics are presented in waveform. So in harmonic order, H is equal to 1, 7, 13. Every 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 6 is nothing but 13, or generally positive sequence. Positive sequence. Harmonic order of H is equal to 5 plus 5, 11, 7. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. 11 plus 6 is equal to 17, or generally negative sequence component. Because of positive sequence, the motor, there is a motor that is rotated in forward direction. Because of the negative sequence, the rotor rotated in backward directions. In triple harmonic means H is equal to 3, 9, 15. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, or generally a zero sequence. One is a positive sequence, fifth is a negative sequence, 3 is a zero sequence. If we add 1 plus 6 is nothing but 7, 5 plus 6 is nothing but 11, 3 plus 6 is nothing but 9. Harmonic indices, very important concept in power quality. The two most commonly used indices for measuring the harmonic content of a waveform are the total harmonic distortion and total demand distortion. This is called THD. This is the TDD. Total harmonic distortion. The THD is a measure of the effective value of the harmonic component of a distorted waveform. That is, it is the potential heating value of the harmonics relative to the fundamental. MH is the RMS value of harmonic component H of the quantity M. So the total harmonic distortion is equal to the H greater than 1, H not equal to 1, H greater than 1 to H maximum MH square root of H greater than 1 to H maximum MH square by M1. M1 is a fundamental. Total demand distortion. By referring THD to the fundamental of the peak demand load current rather than the fundamental of the present sample. This is called total demand distortion. The total demand distortion is equal to H is equal to H maximum IH square by IL root of H is equal to H maximum IH square by IL. IL is the peak or maximum demand load current. Peak or maximum demand load current at the fundamental frequency component measured at the point of common coupling. Point of common coupling is nothing but PCC. So next important topic is the harmonic sources from commercial loads. In commercial load, there is a single phase power supplies, there is a motors, all the fans, all the single phase power supplies causes there is a harmonic present. Next one is fluorescent lighting. Fluorescent lighting causes also a harmonics are present. Third one, adjustable speed drives for HVAC and elevators also causes for harmonics. These are the causes for harmonics from commercial loads. Harmonic sources from industrial loads. three-phase power converters, that is a rectifier, inverters, cycloconverters, whatever the manufactured with electronic equipments for industrial loads. For there is a harmonic source. These are the harmonic sources. Next one is a arcing devices. That means welding, arc furnaces are the arcing devices. Saturable devices. If the transformer operated for saturable devices, if the transformer operated with saturation, also a harmonic sources presented. So the following table highlights the characteristics or expected harmonics from the typical load of a specific type. Source, please observe source. 6 pulse drive or rectifier causes harmonics 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are present. 6 plus or minus 1. Please observe 6 plus or minus 1 is nothing but 6 plus 1 is the 7, 6 minus 1 is the 5. In the similar manner, 7 plus 6 is a 11. So plus or if you adding in the plus or minus 1, if they take 12 plus or minus 1, plus 1 is a 13, minus 1 is a 11. The similar manner 18, the multiples of 6 into 1, 6 into 2, 6 into 3. In 12 pulse also same, the 12 pulse minus 1 is 11, plus 1 is a 13. Similarly 24, the plus 1 is a 25, minus 1 is a 23. 18 pulse also a same, that will present 17 and 19, plus 1 is a 19, minus 1 is a 17. In 36, plus 1 is a 37, minus 1 is a 35. In 24 pulse also a plus 1 is 25, minus 1 is a 23. 48 plus 1 49, minus 1 47. EC, electronic commutated motors, present the harmonics are 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Switched mode SMPS are present 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 harmonics are produced switched mode power supply. The fluorescent or LED lights present 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 harmonics are present because of the fluorescent and LED lights. The arcing devices causes second, third, fourth, fifth and seventh. Transformer energization causes second, third, fourth. Here the second harmonic means magnetic induced current is presented in transformers. For VFD variable frequency drives causes H is equal to NP plus or minus 1. For 6 pulse drive minus 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19 harmonics are present. Harmonics magnitude decreases as harmonic order increases. If the harmonic order increases, harmonic magnitude automatically decreases. So the applied harmonics or effects of harmonics. The main effects of harmonics are the transformers, AC motors, capacitor banks, cables, busways, protective devices. So harmonic distortion evaluation. Next class we start the harmonic distortion evaluation.